shop. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you haven't been before. We've come north today to meet up with some very special people and go on a little group walk. Let's go. A likely looking gaggle of people here, look. This looks like a motley crew.
Ages when we came up here, not a fan of heights. That bridge.
Oh, I love heights. Yeah, I absolutely love heights.
I don't.
I would say I like getting high, but that's something different. That's from a misspent youth.
We made our way from the start point, which was at Bowley's Visitor Centre, to take in the first waterfall of the day, which was Low Force.
Right behind us, this is Low Force. Pretty spectacular at the moment, as the weather is slightly inclement, but it's got a lot of water coming down it, which is making it brilliant to see. Surrounded by people. We all come out together to enjoy it. Well, hopefully you can still hear me. Absolutely fantastic. This is Low Force. We're now going to go across a bridge, work our way up. Hello kid! Up to High Force, which if it's anything like this will be even more impressive. They're making their way across this bridge one by one. Here's D. Oh, don't wreck the bridge. Oh, we're twirling. We've got a bridge twirl. Oh, some funky moves too. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Right then, I'm at the back as usual. My turn, let's get across this dodgy bridge. Wow, absolutely stunning. Beautiful behind me there. There were some kayakers further up, I think I might have missed them. They're braving their way now. And if you can see this behind. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Love it. Great soldiers making their way down. Yeah, brilliant. Well done.
She's on.
Oh God. Bareback sheep riding. I'm not sure this is even legal, to be honest.
It might be in Wales.
I'm not sure it's legal. But it's happening. We're still going, making our way along this pretty good path, to be fair. It's wet today, so some places are a bit slippy, but it's quite a well-defined path. Following, he says, sliding across a wet bit. We got a group in front, a group behind. And it's good fun. It looks like Alan's grabbed the best filming spot.
Oh yeah.
These guys, hard work paddling against the current there. Just having a little tactical breather on this bit, another little viewpoint, and lots of little places just to stop and take it in, and you just get an appreciation of the amount of water coming down here at the moment. Really nice being out. I just catch up with Dee, organiser of this little get together. What do you reckon? It's good fun, isn't it?
Good.
Going really well.
I've really enjoyed it. It's been good crack, had lots of laughs, and it's just really nice to meet everyone.
It really is. It's nice to be out as well, and even if the weather's a little bit inclement.
Well, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that's a bonus.
No, that's true. Could have been worse, but it's going really well.
Yes, so
Good
it's
stuff.
not bad. Not bad. Not a bad day for the northeast.
Absolutely.
Anyway.
We're pressing on towards High Force now, aren't we?
Yes.
And then
So we get to stand on the top and look
Brilliant.
over, and there's also another little viewing platform as well.
Brilliant. Right, we'll have a look at that in a minute.
This spectacular waterfall is High Force, where the River Tees drops about 21 metres into a plunge pool below. I would definitely recommend anybody come in to see this for themselves.
Well, we've made it to High Force. We're here with Alan. Alan met a man.
Yeah,
What are we thinking?
absolutely superb, as it always is. Been coming here since I was a kid. Always impresses, always impresses.
It's really good. Nice. There's a lot of water on it at the moment, but beautiful. Really nice. And it's a good day out, meeting everybody and having a nice
Yeah, it's been really
little
good.
walk.
Thoroughly enjoyed this.
Brilliant. Good stuff. Thanks, Al.
I'm going to show you over the falls now. You come with me to the falls. Are you ready?
High Force 2022.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Just seeing the full force of nature there, really absolutely brilliant. Loving it. What a brilliant experience. Fantastic area. And with a great group of people. Really feel privileged at the moment. Fantastic. Yeah, like a big game of follow my leader through here. We're on our way back down. Rumour has it we might stop at a hotel and grab a nice coffee. That'll be good.
We were all in all and off and on the waterfall. Won't you stop?
Film myself. Right. Boot wash.
Wishful thinking. I think it's to do with the juniper rooms.
Boot wash done. Apparently something to do with the fact that there's juniper berries up there on a little patch. If anybody does know the real reason, drop me a comment below. I mean, it is a drizzly day, but even the scenery around is just absolutely beautiful. We're really enjoying it. You do meet some funny people when you're out on a walk. We're in the cafe. Put a little pit stop at the end of that, put some fuel back in. Cup of coffee, waiting for a cheese scone to come. Right on cue, there we go. everybody else.
And then I think they retail about
Well, we went in the cafe, had something to eat and a cup of coffee and refreshed ourselves, and then somebody said let's walk up to Gibson's Cave. So apparently we're going up here. Oh, I love steps. Alright, that's the steps now. I'm not saying I sprung up there like a mountain goat, but I'm up. A bit muddy and treacherous underfoot in this bit, but again, the scenery around here is just absolutely fantastic. I love it. Two adventurers together here. Look, we've got D and M's adventures there as well. Stop for a quick costume change in the middle of the woods.
costume change, Beyonce.
Fantastic.
Yes.
What are we thinking? What are we thinking about the day so far?
Amazing. It's been fab.
Brilliant. Really, really, really good.
And giggles until somebody giggles and beep.
That is very true. Which could still happen.
Yes.
Joe sprang to the rescue as one of our intrepid explorers dropped her phone. This is Gibson's Cave. Local tradition tells of a lovable rogue called William Gibson, who is said to have hidden out here while on the run from local constables of Barnard Castle. He must have been well liked because his friends used to supply him with food and dry clothes while he hid behind the waterfall.
Brilliant. This is Gibson's Cave, if you can still hear me. Gibson's Cave. M's gone over and gone under it there. Joe as well. Fantastic.
Check this out, guys. We've got them doing wondrous things. Woo! Top of it, guys. Yeah. Woo! Look at this. It's amazing, guys, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to pass the torch back to you guys. Bye from DCAM.
Well, you're only here once, so you're going to do what you're going to do. Gibson's Cave. From within. One intrepid explorer has gone in search of trout.
Are we doing the Dirty Dancing version?
Whoa! Extreme bridge moves.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. Oh, God,
Oh,
it's X-rated.
Well, I have to say, Kim and I had a fantastic day meeting these brilliant people and leaving as friends.
Yeah, it's been good. Really good.
been really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dee. Yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
It's been a pleasure meeting you all. You're all amazing.
Hey! Right, folks. Hope you've enjoyed seeing that walk from Bowley's Visitor Centre, low force, high force, and back round to the very impressive Gibson's Cave. We've enjoyed it. Big shout out to all these guys behind me here. Some fantastic people. We've had a brilliant day. Don't forget, if you have liked it, give us a big thumbs up. Click this lot's channel and give them a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can. And we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, folks.
Goodbye, friends.
Bye, folks.